The demand for electrification is booming, and power consumption continues to grow rapidly. High-voltage technologies are at the heart of these trends, enhancing access to solar energy, helping accelerate EV adoption, and making data centers more efficient. At Texas Instruments, we are committed to making high-voltage designs simple, efficient, and safe. With decades of manufacturing experience and industry-leading power conversion solutions that include gallium nitride ICs, as well as sensing, isolation, and real-time control technologies, our analog and embedded chips offer cost and performance advantages while maintaining superior reliability. Our devices can withstand the operating conditions of high-voltage environments, while our end-to-end system expertise and design resources help simplify complex designs and accelerate time to market. Texas Instruments, unlocking the power of high voltage.